Hey everyone. So, just hopping on and putting this video out there on why you are not rich yet. Emphasis being on yet, because it is possible for you to be as rich as you want to be. Okay, but the only reason, or one of the reasons, not the only reason, because there can be other reasons, but this is a real crucial one of why you're not rich yet. And I want you to tune in as I tell you this and see if this is true for you and let me know in the comments if it is. The reason you are not rich yet is because you are actually afraid of it. You're like, what? Hang on a minute. How can I be afraid of being rich? The reason you are afraid of being rich, if you haven't been rich before, is because you are afraid of something that is unfamiliar to you. And that is completely normal. You've been functioning at a certain level with money all your life, and that's really familiar to you. You can survive, you know what to do, all of that kind of thing. But then you want more, you want extra. Your brain and body doesn't know what that's like. It's unfamiliar to you, okay? And this is why we use techniques, especially things like scripting, visualization, things like that. So we get our body familiar with this new reality that we want to step into, this new manifestation that we want to step into. And that's why I say yet, because like I said, it is possible for you to be as rich as you want to be, take yourself as high as you want to go in regards to money. But it's just there's fears around that. And that's what has to be shifted. So if you tune in right now, hand on heart, take a breath in and out. Ask yourself this question and let's rate it out of 10. I am fearful of making millions and millions and millions of dollars. Tune into that. Now, when you say that statement, out of 10, how much fear is around that? 10 being, oh my God, I'm so fearful of that. 0 being, I'm not really fearful of that at all. Let me know what you rated in the comments. So I'll say it again. I am fearful of making millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. Okay? So do this, have a look at this. Okay, and this is really crucial because this is what blocks a lot of people from stepping into a new reality with money, a new situation of what they actually want. And this goes for other manifestations as well. It's like you want what you want, but a part of you, not all of you, just a part of you is actually afraid of that manifestation, of being rich, only because it's unfamiliar. And also, you know, as humans, we fear change. It's normal to fear change because we are, you know, we have survival instincts and our body and brain want to survive. And so new things and change and unfamiliar territory are dangerous to this part of us, to our survival human instinctual part, right? But then we've got our soul part that has a higher purpose, that wants to do our soul path. Okay, so it's about balancing that. It's about balancing that human part and the soul part. Okay, and that's, like I said, that's why we use the techniques and things like that, because we get our body and brain familiar with the new reality we want to create. And you see, the brain doesn't know the difference between what you're feeding it and what's actually happening in reality. So you can feed the brain these unfamiliar things and it will actually think that it's real and it's happening now, and then it will be created in your life easily because it's familiar with it. But if you are not familiarizing yourself with this new reality that you want to create, your brain goes into freak out mode and will sabotage you to bring you back into the familiar reality that you've always had. And that's why we get stuck as well. Okay, because we just want to stay in the familiar. Because, you know, in tribal times, when we were out in tribes, if we're in unfamiliar territory, that's dangerous because we don't know if we're going to get killed and die. right? That's why we stay in that familiar area, and that way we know what's going on most of the time, okay? And so that's the same for us now. And so this is what I wanted to bring to you and sort of educate you about, okay? So that then you can start to make the millions and millions and millions and millions and billions of dollars that you want to make and become rich. Rich, rich, rich. Let me know in the comments, do you want to become rich? Say in the comments, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. And let's get you rich. Alrighty, I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions. Make sure you like the video so I know that this content is helping you and you're liking it. Also subscribe, hit the bell notification because that notifies you of when I do more videos, and I'm also doing readings on here as well, so you get all of that information too. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.